Have your healthy habits disappeared over the Easter long weekend under a mountain of chocolate, multiple bottles of wine, or perhaps just laziness? Are you feeling guilty, sluggish, maybe just not yourself, and you're thinking about doing some quick fix detox to get back on track? Then I want to stop you right there. I've got 4 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video to help you reset your mood, reset your mindset, and get that momentum moving forward again. My first tip is we need to get you moving. This is not about burning off the Easter chocolate. It's about getting your body on, your mind on, and moving is the quickest way to clear the brain fog, improve your mood, and create that momentum. Tip number 2 is rehydrate and refuel as quickly as possible to get back on track. Your body is screaming at you for hydration and for proper food. So start your day with a big glass of water. Make sure you prep some meals, or at least eat some healthy protein, some high fiber, healthy fats, good carbohydrates to refuel your body and to get you back into the momentum that you need. Don't skip meals. Don't try and make up for it. This is just a reset. We are going to reset your routine. That's tip number 3. You're going to get your clothes ready for the gym or pack your gym bag. You're going to get your meals prepped and ready, packed for tomorrow. You're going to get to bed early, do your nighttime routine, whatever you need to do so that tomorrow you can hit the ground running with your routine to reduce decision fatigue and to really get that momentum. And my 4th tip for you today is reflect, don't ruminate. Reflection brings about self-awareness. Rumination brings about regret. So make sure that after the weekend that you've had, think about what you enjoyed, what things, maybe you didn't enjoy, and what lessons have you learned after the weekend that can really help you moving forward. So make sure that you're reflecting and not getting stuck in rumination and regret. You had a good weekend, now let's get back on track. So remember, you are not starting over. This is just part of the process. This is where real growth happens, is taking time to reflect and to really learn from the experience or what's just happened. And it's important now that you get back on track. Refuel your body, hydrate, move, spend some time journaling or reflecting, and get that mindset set so you can really create some momentum moving forward. It was just one weekend. Don't let it become a whole month or a whole year of bad habits or unhealthy habits. Get back on track as soon as possible. You've got this. I believe in you. You need to believe in yourself. Moving forward, stay positive. If this has been helpful, then please share it with your friends or your family that may also need that reminder to just reset and get back on track. Don't dwindle, don't dwell, just move forward. You've got this. Take care. Bye-bye.